Right, Year 3, this is Mrs. Phillips. This is for the 8:30 phonics group. Over to you, Mrs. Phillips.
Okay. Hi guys, so this is our sound that we're going to do today. We're going to do the digraph or in author. Okay, now some of these words that are on our list have this sound at the end. Okay, so for example, okay, this, you wouldn't mention the E sound in it. Alright, you're going to have to remember it a bit like in the word because. The E is there as part of the spelling, but you wouldn't say the sound. Alright, and so some of our words in this list are going to have that in as well. So that's for you to be aware of. Are we ready? All, pull, alt, fault, oars, cause, oars, pause, oarsed, paused, ing, pausing, because, sauce, sauce, ought, taught, ought, caught, ought, naughty, ought, daughter, ought, astronaut. Okay, and our sentence, Paul caught the ball. Paul caught the ball.
Thank you, Mrs. Phillips. Right, we're going to do a quick game of bingo then, Year 3. Oh, another words.
Of course you can.
Thank you very much. Right, a very, very quick game of bingo. Tell your parent or carer why the word Paul has got a capital P at the beginning. See if you can think it through. Right, I want you to choose 6 words today. 6 words. Make sure you're writing your 6 down whilst I write them on here. You should almost be finished by now. Whilst you're there as well, think about why that ends in ED. Think about what tense that's in. See if you can tell your parent or carer what type of word because is. What type of word is because? And the last one's really tricky, Mrs. Phillips.
Oh, it is. Astronaut.
Astronaut.
There's a lot of consonant clusters in there.
Okay, first one then. I'm going to cross it off. Make sure that you've done yours ready. Paused. Source. Astronaut. Caught. Fault. Pause. Because.
I wonder if anyone's got bingo yet.
It might be close. Paul with a capital P because it's a proper noun for a name. Taught. Think about what verb that comes from. The verb to teach. Cause. Pausing. Present tense, it's happening now. And naughty.
Bingo!
Bingo! Some must have all bingo now. See you later for your next phonics. Bye!
Did you press red? Sorry.
Right?